Okay, here is another attempt to install Mojo. This time I have first created a virtual machine running Ubuntu version 22. Then I have updated Ubuntu. Then I have installed the virtual environment for my Python packages. And then I have created a virtual environment that is called Mojo. The reason I'm doing all that stuff is that the regular installation didn't work for 2 or 3 times. It failed on Debian Linux, it failed on MX Linux, and it even failed on this Ubuntu machine before I created a virtual environment. Well, the problem is that it takes forever. You can expect about half an hour if the installation succeeds at all. Well, that might be a problem with my virtual machine, but I have also tried it on several other computers like my laptop, which has 16 gigabytes of RAM. So I guess I will let this installation video run and see if it actually works this time. Okay, it looks like it worked this time, and it was much faster after I created the virtual environment. Now here is where that stuff lives, and now I'm supposed to do a few more things to get the path right. So let's export this variable here, and the second one, and finally the one for the bash. Now let's type in Mojo. This actually seems to work. I will create a file called mojotest.mojo. We will try a print statement, save the file, and now I will try to run it. And now it says that the command Mojo was not found and I had to install it. I guess I have to figure out what's going wrong. And the first thing that I would try is to reboot the system. So let's actually do that.